guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I am back. I'm sorry for not being very consistent with my videos. I've been just pretty busy with working on these Christmas journals, and I've just need to refresh and everything. So I apologize for that. But anyways, I am finished with my Christmas collection, and I am going to bring a couple videos showing flip-throughs of what I have made, and so hopefully you can check them out in my Etsy shop. Also, I hope that it gives you inspiration for your own journal making, because that's my whole channel, is just to inspire you through crafty goodness. So let's get on with it. I'm going to show you in this video the 6 journals that are these little minis, and they're made with Telltale books and Junior Elf books, and then this little golden book. So they're super cute. I have 2 of the Nightmare Before Christmas, this style, and then I have the Christmas Snowman. I have Richard Scarry's Christmas Mice, The Happiest Christmas, and then the Nightmare Before Christmas, the Junior Elf style. So they are all ring bound. They have 2 rings on them. Some fun trims and laces on the side with a little jingle bell. I covered the back with vintage fabric in most cases, kind of correlating with the book. And then on the front I have trim or lace or whatever on the front, little buttons and things like that. Each of them, I don't know how many pages, but it would be listed in my Etsy shop. I haven't counted them yet. All the details are there. And these books are approximately 6 inches tall by the Junior Elf books. The book itself is, I think, around 4 3/4. And then the Telltale books are just a little bit wider. I think they're 5, almost 6 inches wide, something like that, 5.5 or something. Anyway, they're just cute and adorable, I think, and super fun with all the different things on them. The snowman one has, instead of the jingle bell, it has the snowflake. And then they all have some paper clips, the altered paper clips. They are filled with vintage ephemera and new ephemera, and then scrapbook paper and tea stained or coffee stained papers. I did some fun like food color dye on some of them. Yeah. Alright, so let's dive into this. I'm going to I'll kind of do an initial talk about them, and then just do a fast forward and maybe throw in some little comments here and there, but otherwise it will take forever. So anyway, these are so cute. I think I'll just show you one of these books because they're pretty similar. It's the vintage ephemera inside that is just a little bit different, but alright, so I have this fun vintage fabric on the back here. It's really adorable. And then on the front there's a little mistletoe button, there's jingle bells, and then all the fun things on the side. I use one of the Hot Buy paper pads throughout this book, and just added all kinds of different things through here. Different belly bands, there's stitching throughout. I tried to put something in all the pockets. Vintage wrapping paper. Fun napkins. I included all of the pages of the book in the right order so that it's pretty much upcycled, and then there's vintage pages from other books in here as well. I have these vintage pogs from the 90s that I'd found, and then there's different cards, vintage and newer. This one's a kind of newer one. So there they all are. I hope you enjoyed looking at them. I hope that gives you inspiration for your journals, but I also hope that you will go to my Etsy shop and check them out there. They'll have all the details of the size and how many pages and everything that's included with them. Be on the lookout. I have 4 larger little golden books journals that for Christmas that I'll be having another video for that. So they are complete, and they will also be up in my Etsy shop as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.